sheet, I think. So we're getting off the ship in Civitavecchia.
Sir, Vigili is after the gangway, yeah?
Say what?
After the gangway.
Okay. Most people got off the ship and went on their way home or other vacations. We are actually getting back on, taking the next cruise. So we're going to take a look around Civitavecchia. You get off the ship. They're loading stuff on, of course. You go through this giant tent. There's supposed to be shuttle buses to take us up to the port gate. We're in a working seaport. And it's a big seaport, by the way. There's another ship down there, an MSC, I think, the Divinia. So let's see what's going on in here. Maybe not in here. In transit guests. That's us. We're in transit.
Morning.
Hi. We came out of the tent. It says the shuttle buses are over here. That looks like a shuttle bus. In 10 days' time, we'll be doing this again, but heading to the airport. So the shuttle bus finally left, and it's shuttling us to the gates, where we're going to walk that way, I think. So, the shuttle bus. The shuttle bus brought us quite a distance, maybe a mile, and now we're going to get off here and I think run a gauntlet of tour guides. And there it is. Wow. McDonald's. We have reached the welcome point. I'm not sure what that means. I guess this is where you come with your luggage and you wait. Oh, it's nice and cool under here. It's air conditioned. Or something. Oh, it's surprisingly cool. So that's the MSC ship. Our ship is in front of it. So that's how far we came. Coming out here. I think there's a little more gauntlet to do. That's €2. Wait, I need to purchase a ticket to get back? Oh, railway station.
Video, huh? Video. No
Si.
problem.
See. Supermarket. That's what we're looking for, the supermarket. So there's a handy sign here. If you want McDonald's or the supermarket. I think we'll just cross the street with all these people. 2 streets. As you can see, it's just a little town in Italy. And we're just going to follow the crowd because I'll bet they know where they're going. Car rental, ice cream. Sidewalk cafes. Beer. Girl in a car. Gas station. On an evening in Civitavecchia. Shuttle bus stop was down at the end of that street. And we're coming to like a square here. And there's this. I don't know if it's the remnants of an old fort or just a very secure building. Well, I see glass doors inside, so people pulling their luggage. So downtown Civitavecchia. There's one of those public drinking fountains or whatever you want to call it. See these throughout Italy. Ow! This might be more of the fort. I don't know. I see boats in there though for trucks. So I guess they're restoring that. There's a big sign. Shopping center, market, train station. We're going to take a side trip off the street there and go up on the battlements. They're of course in a bigger hurry than us, so they're going ahead. But Janet's here, looking super. Can't even see our ship, but it's there someplace. There's Fort Michelangelo or whatever it is. So we walked all the way down here. And it's like a fort. That's the real fort there. And that's our goal today, to walk down around there. And the market is down there somewhere too. So we're going to head back out to the street here, I think. There were a lot of restaurants along here if you're hungry or thirsty. We're like on top of a wall. Walked along and there's a cathedral across the street. We're going to head off though and walk around the fort a little bit and then go shopping and then get it back on the ship because they're having a luncheon for us at noon. From the shuttle bus, had to go back out on the street and then get back out here. Here's the fort or castle or whatever. Michelangelo. They didn't used to let people go in. I got a feeling they still don't. But you can walk around the outside. The beach is right there. They've got a strange beach, as you're going to see in a minute, made up of stairs or tiers, however you want to say it. And then like a gravelly sand beach off. Walk down these stairs here. This is more maybe a busier part of town here because of course it's the beach. We're going to walk over here to the fort real quick, get a look at it. There's people selling all sorts of things here. Here's a sign saying the supermarket is up that way. We probably walked by it already. People with their luggage. Here's the port. We can go up and look inside. It's like a square fort with the round parts on the corners. You can walk all the way around, but it looks the same on all four sides. So we're not going to go there because we have to get shopping and get back on the ship. And we want to go down to the beach. You can see it, it's around there. We just came back down this way. And we're going to walk out to the ocean here. I'm not sure it's the same as it was 10 years ago, but it kind of looks, like I was saying, like terraces, steps, whatever, leading down to the water. Really shallow steps here. There's the steps over there that I was talking about. I think there's more down that way. We're taking the flat part down, and like I said, it's a rocky beach. I think people swim in this like pond here, but it is salt water leading out to the ocean. And it looks like they swim over here in the rocky part, but it is rocky. Bit of trash in there, broken glass. And fish. Big schools of fish. That's Civitavecchia. There's the castle. Ship's over that way. We walked out to the beach there. Beach is a relative term. We got your bombardiers here, Italian fire persons. I think those are bombardiers anyway. And we're gonna walk up and try to find a market. Get us some wine and some water to take on the ship. We're back to the little steps. So we crossed the street there from the ocean. Came up here and there's a nice wide walkway that seems to be very long, lined with shops and restaurants. There's a statue. I think one of them has lost its head. And this giant pink church. There's people there, but they're not getting in. So we're gonna head off that way, which is back to the shuttle bus basically, because I think that's where the markets are. Across the street from the beach, the pink church is right around the corner there, and up ahead this pink building says it's a supermercato, so I'm thinking supermarket. No thanks. So we debated in some of the ports about going to a laundromat and washing our clothes because the ship wanted $25 for a bag. And we found this place, which isn't too far from the ship. We could have carried our clothes all over here. And then we discovered that to wash and dry is €5 each. So that's maybe $12 or so. And then to buy detergent is another euro or two, and fabric softener if you get it. So by the time you're done, it's at least $15 and, you know, a couple hours of your time. So we just got our clothes washed on the ship for $25. Of course, it's not your shirts and pants and dresses. It's your underwear and socks and shorts and t-shirts. So we came down there. That's the pink church there. The wash and dry is right there. And right here is the supermercati. 10% off for crew. Hey, look at the herbs. And the shopping cart. And in we go. In we go. So we're going to look around here. So the market I found has a full selection of wine. Got water. Even have beer. But we want wine. So it's big enough. It's going to have what we want. We just have to decide what that is. So in the supermercato, or mercati, we bought 2 bottles of wine, 2 6-packs of water, and a single cold one for €10 and 60, whatever they call them, cents. So now, back to the ship. Pretty royal. I think I'm staying here next time.